It's winter season and there's no way I can ride my bike. So I think this is the right time to give my 2022 TREK EMONda SL5 a treat. Just a little information, EMONda SL5 has a Shimano 105 group set, a compact crankset which I prefer for climbing, and the cassette is 11 speed with 11x30 teeth. And I decided to upgrade my handlebar into integrated handlebar. So I search until I found what I'm looking for. It's Yoeleo H9 version 2, a China-based manufacturer and worldwide supplier of carbon bikes. They started in early 2007 and manufactured OEM carbon fiber components for some overseas bicycle brands. After 5 years of OEM manufacturing experience, they decided to establish their own brand called Yoeleo. What is more interesting about this brand is that they have a spacer that is compatible to TREK EMONda. So you can hide all the cables and to make your bike more linear to see. And by the way, this handlebar comes with a computer bike mount. So I went to the nearest bike shop to get my new handlebar installed. After 1 day of waiting, my bike is ready to be picked up. So here's the final result of my integrated handlebar. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.